Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Alright viewers and subscribers, you don't know this is the Skilla, you see it? Now I have something to talk about when I know so for those who don't like the whole Obeah practice, this is going to put a smile on your face when you hear that story. But it is going to be, or it might be a temporary smile because you don't know them sit down in a parliament the other day, right? And I discuss legalizing the whole practice of Obeah. Yeah, if you never know, me I tell you, you see it? And the thing about it, why them say them legalize it too, is because of them say it is an African descendant thing. You see me? I say it is something that come from Africa to us. So them I say like we're supposed to have a right to use it. But what amazes me is that the man and some of them were in the parliament to talk about legalizing the Obeah is not even considered as African. You see me? Like even Delroy Chung, the one that stand up and make an announcement about it. You see? But anyways, hear the story now. A female and her sibling went to a candle store in a Montego Bay downtown, you see me? And when you say candle store, you know, real Jamaicans know where the name for that store is, but them just say candle store, you see? And she buy a few items and, you know, put in her handbag and come out, you see me? So when she come out now with she and her sibling and I walk past the police officer asked her to stop. And then he looked at her and said, what she have in the bag? And she said, just her things. And him said, give him a search. And him started to search her. When him search her now, him find magic things. Yes, I say him find Obeah oil and spray and all these things. So the police officer looked at the lady and said, these things are of witchcraft, you know, doings. So it is considered as something that is used to hurt people. And anything that is considered as something that is used to hurt people by law, you're supposed to be detained and investigated and so forth. You see me I say, fine. So the police officer hold on to the lady and take her to the nearest police station in Montego Bay, and it raised one heck of a crowd cussing at the police officer. You see me? Now it has been reported that the female that had these Obeah oil and candle and all these little things with them says in her bag, she has been charged. That is what is being reported, so she has been charged. You see it? So with news like this and with an event like this goes to show you that the practice of Obeah is really illegal in Jamaica. You see me I say? Because not very often you hear some people get locked up for Obeah oil and Obeah this and Obeah that, really and truly. I mean, know that. Say enough of you don't never see something like this. You see me I say, me personally, I've never seen somebody went to jail or get detained, I should say, for the practice of Obeah. I never see that. You see? Did you know that there was a law that was passed towards the practice of Obeah in Jamaica in 1898? And there is more to that when me just tell you now, but me just try to point out to you how long ago people have issues with the whole Obeah working thing. You see me I say? Me not tell a lie, if me never used to believe, well me have a little stronger belief you know, you see me? The fact that a whole house, which is the parliament, filled with educated men discussing a topic like this, and they have been doing this from long time, like century ago. So people really and truly, and everything are Obeah. You know, some of the things them where people call Obeah are just mindset and coincidence, you see me? And then they have a next thing when them science and technology, you see me? So some of the time when people say Obeah and not really Obeah, you see it? Alright, well anyways, I don't know the thing, go. If you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave a comment and let me know what you think. My name is Skilla and this is the Dancehall Skilla ENT. Uno big up on yourself, yeah, my people. You see it?